The ensuing search revealed more than 100 pounds of white powder, later determined to be urea sulfate, as well as approximately 8 ounces of a highly volatile nitroglycerin mixture and fusing systems components. Other items found in Reesom's car were a number of forms of identification linked to at least 7 aliases, including one used at the Port Angeles border entry point, and maps and guidebooks indicating that he was targeting the Los Angeles airport. A hotel reservation for Reesom near the Seattle Center resulted in a cancellation of the New Year's celebration at the Space Needle. An extensive investigation was launched by FBI offices in Seattle and New York, including the FBI Joint Terrorism Task Force, the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, RCMP, the Canadian Security and Intelligence Service, Canada's Department of Justice, Algerian officials, and others. The FBI dubbed the operation Border Bomb. Under questioning, Reesom admitted that he planned to bomb Los Angeles International Airport on the eve of the Millennium celebrations. The investigation also revealed that Reesom had attended Al-Qaeda training camps in Afghanistan and was part of a terrorist cell in Canada. Forensic scientists from both the RCMP and the FBI examined the evidence in this case. An FBI Laboratory Explosives Unit examiner compared evidence found in Reesom's motel room with items seized in Los Angeles. The RCMP laboratory identified the presence of explosives and developed a DNA profile from a pair of pants and shoes recovered in Reesom's apartment. They also observed several holes in the pants that were consistent with an acid spill. With this information, the Seattle field office examined Reesom's legs and discovered a large burn. At the trial, a doctor specializing in burns testified that the burn on Reesom's leg was consistent with an acid burn. In the FBI laboratory, a piece of hair was observed on a piece of clear tape inside one of the 4 time delay fusing systems. The questioned hair was examined by FBI trace evidence experts and determined to have the same microscopic characteristics as Ahmad Reesom's hairs. Latent fingerprints developed on the 4 timing devices and a map of Los Angeles showing 3 airports circled were associated with Reesom. A date book, on which 13 of Reesom's fingerprints were developed, included the addresses of 2 bin Laden collaborators. It also contained the addresses of the firms that Reesom used to obtain the electronic components and precursor chemicals for manufacturing the explosives.